Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I curl my straightened natural hair with a flat iron. And I'm going to be using the Revlon Copper Digital Flat Iron. My hair is already straight, and to prevent heat damage, I'm going to apply the Olaplex No. 9 to each section before curling it. I'm also setting the flat iron to 350 degrees because the max 400 degrees is way too hot in my opinion, and I definitely don't want to burn all of my hair off. And I had to learn the hard way when I was younger that heat damage will definitely break all your hair off over time, and I'm definitely not trying to go back there. And if my straightened hair is less flat and harder to manage after days of it being straight, I'll usually blow dry it on low heat before curling it, and sometimes I even have to detangle it with a wide tooth comb. And when I blow dry my hair, it makes my hair more lightweight, helps me remove the tangles, and makes my hair feel more like it does on the first day that I flat iron it. So for each curl, I start passing the flat iron down the entire section from the top, then I turn the barrel downward by turning my wrist forward. Then I open and close the flat iron while continuing to turn the flat iron. And it's extremely important to open and close the flat iron and not keep it clamped the entire time so that you don't burn your hair by leaving it on the heat for too long. And you also want to make sure that you're not pulling your hair and tightening the flat iron too tight because this can definitely break your ends off over time. And if you want to curl the entire section and not just the end of the section, you can pass the flat iron only halfway down the section and then start turning your wrist. And then open and close the flat iron, twist the section, and then repeat the whole process to curl the end of your hair. Also, sometimes your hair might not curl even if you do the technique perfectly because your hair might be too oily after days of it being straight. And if this happens, make sure not to keep trying to curl it over and over again because this will definitely lead to a lot of breakage and heat damage. So for each section of hair, if it's not curling properly, I would only attempt to curl it a maximum of 2 times. And if your hair has been straight for multiple days and it won't curl, it most likely just has too much natural oil in it to curl properly. And I've noticed this because it's extremely easy for me to get perfect curls using this technique the day after I straighten my hair, but if my hair has been straight for a longer time, it's much harder to get the curls to hold. I recently bought this Revlon flat iron at Target, and I used it to straighten my hair for my college graduation. And I love how this flat iron quickly and easily straightened my hair and made my hair really flat. I was also really happy because I didn't get any heat damage after using it. For my graduation, I also purchased Olaplex No. 9 from Sephora. I never used this product before, but I decided to try it because I wanted to find a new heat protectant that wouldn't leave any residue on my hair, and I wanted to find a product that would make it easy to detangle my hair before blow drying it. And I was really happy with this product because it allowed me to detangle my hair really easily while it was wet before I blow dried it. It also left my hair feeling really lightweight, not sticky at all, and helped me prevent any heat damage. My favorite heat protectant has always been the Garnier Sleek & Shine Flat Iron Spray, but I think I now like the Olaplex No. 9 even better because of how it makes my hair feel so moisturized and how easily I can remove the tangles. And the Olaplex No. 9 is a little expensive, but it's definitely worth it in my opinion, and you only need a little bit to do all of your hair, so the product definitely lasts a really long time. And this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment below what videos you want me to post next on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!